Furthermore, in addition, giving more information, dogs can sense human sadness. They can respond appropriately to this emotion. In addition, giving more information, dogs are used for hunting and fishing. They are also often used in military and police work. Likewise, in like or similar manner, dogs and cats provide different amount of emotional support. If you prefer a pet that gives and requires a lot of emotional support, choose a dog. If you have less time and energy for a pet, a cat is a better choice. Moreover, in addition, giving more information, snakes can be excellent pets. They are ideal for children who are allergic to pit hair. Accordingly, because of the reason that is given, it fits. Along the same lines, owning a dog may require you to wake up earlier in the morning. Once you know how long it takes to feed and walk your dog, you can adjust your schedule. As a result, because of this, dogs are one of the most popular pets, and many people own more than one. There are more than 80 million dogs living in the United States. Therefore, used to show a conclusion is coming: cats don't always get along well with dogs. If you own cats, you should consider the effects on them before adopting a new dog. Consequently, as a consequence of what happened, dogs often try to eat human food. If you leave food out in the open, it will probably get eaten by your pet dog. Thus, as a result of what I said, rabbits prefer not to be held or touched by humans. If you own a rabbit, you should observe it quietly instead of picking it up and carrying it around. Above and beyond all other consideration, if you are allergic to cat or dog hair, it is not a good idea to make a cat or dog your pet. In essence, most importantly, should you get a pet? It is an economic decision. You have to determine if you can afford to own a pet. In other words, put another way, pit bulls have a bad reputation, but they are actually one of the most sensitive and loyal breeds. Don't be afraid to bring a pit bull into your family. Instead, in place of or as an alternative to of cooking steak for your dog, it is more economical to buy dog food. However, on the other hand, show some opposite info is coming. I dislike most dogs. I am fond of my neighbor's dog. Nevertheless, never mind anything else, pets require a significant amount of time and money. Many people report that they would not give up their pets for any amount of money. In contrast, as an opposite, each year of a cat's life is equal to 7 human years. Each year of a dog's life is equivalent to 9 human years. Meanwhile, at the same time, I left my dinner on the table and went to get the baby from her crib. My cat jumped up on the table and started licking my steak. Simultaneously, at the exact same time, it can be very difficult to talk on the phone and walk your dog. In conclusion, to sum it all up, these sentences have been about pets. On the contrary, as an opposite, some people fear that birds make terrible pets. They have been kept by humans as pets for thousands of years. On the other hand, a different, contrasting example: cats don't enjoy being taken for walks. Many breeds of dogs take great pleasure in being walked. Even though I'm allergic to cats, I still really want one. Besides, making an additional point anyway, dogs and cats, other popular pets include birds, lizards, turtles, and rabbits. In particular, specifically, dogs require food that gives them enough protein. High-quality protein from animals is preferable to plant-based proteins. In fact, In truth, not all food that is safe for humans is also safe for dogs. Some common foods like chocolate and avocados can be very harmful to dogs. Ideally, perfectly, in a perfect situation, rabbits should be kept in a large cage separate from other rabbits. In spite of, regardless of the expense of owning pets, many pet owners believe it is worth it. Regardless, in spite of, no matter about all the rest of what type of dog you have, pet insurance is a good idea.